Today we're going to discuss how to access all PDF DOM objects using IronPDF and C#. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to access all PDF DOM objects in a PDF file using IronPDF and C#. First you want to do is install IronPDF from the NuGet package manager in your project. Then let's move to the program.cs file, and you're going to want to add the required namespaces and set the license key. First, we begin by creating a new Chrome PDF renderer, and this lets us generate PDF from a URL or an HTML string. Next, we're going to render a web page into a PDF document, and as in this example, we're going to use the IronPDF homepage. Super easy. Now we can access each page's object model. This exposes all DOM elements like text, images, and shapes on the page. From the first page, we can pull out a complete object model and work with it as needed in our code. Now we can fetch the text object and convert it to a list for further processing. If we put a breakpoint on this line, Visual Studio will let us inspect all the details in the watch window. All right, so let's run the program, and you'll see firsthand how easy it is to explore a PDF's internal objects with IronPDF. But one thing to note, this feature is still experimental, and sometimes you can get unexpected results. All right, so here you can see the object model contains image object, path object, and text object. Each gives us information about the page, index, bounding box, scale, and translation. And you can also modify this information. So as you can see, it's super useful and gives granular control over the PDF document. With IronPDF, you can also create, edit, split, merge, and transform your PDFs. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and go to our site, download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link in the description below. Check it out for yourself.